Hello, my name is Brian Allgaier. I'm a professor here in the School of STEM at MVCC. And today we're going to look at our machining lab and our CNC lab. We have a full manual machine shop as well as CNC machines. We have 7 CNC machines, with our newest machines being a 5-axis Herco vertical mill and a multi-axis Doosan lathe with double spindle and multi-axis. Currently, we offer 3 different manual machining classes here in 6 different CNCs. So our MET students take classes here, our welding students, and our CNC certificate. We offer a 1-year course for a CNC certificate. That's what most of the students in here are taking currently. Some people coming through are entrepreneurs and want to start their own business, so this is a good start for that. And some of them just come in here, they're going to be future engineering students. So this is a good base for a mechanical engineer. Come take CNC machining first, learn CNC, manual machining, and then go on to mechanical or manufacturing engineering. So it's a good starting point for other degrees as well.